dessert on the channel.
Woo! And I think it's our first dessert ever, besides sweet potato pie that we made for Thanksgiving.
It is
Ice cream. Mango sorbet.
So what are the ingredients, Layla?
So we have limes. We're gonna need spoon and ice cream scoop. Obviously a mango because it's mango sorbet, or ice cream, whatever you want to call it. Frozen raspberries. Our first time, which is soy dairy-free creamer. Okay, we've never used actually creamer before, so this is our first time. Cane sugar, some measuring cups, and
2
bowls. So don't forget that this recipe is great for summer, and since it's almost summertime and the end of the school year, you should make it. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so make sure you have your hands washed, and I'm going to add that this recipe is definitely one of the easiest recipes that you can make. So the first thing John is going to do is put in our diced mangoes into our blender. This is just one mango that we have diced. Then I'm going to take 1/2 a lime, and I'm going to try to squeeze it in.
You can also use a lemon juicer if you don't.
Or yeah, if you have like a lime juicer or something like that, you can. But you know, we can use our hands because we're in here. Because this is a small lime, and I don't think it would even fit in a lime juicer. I'm gonna try to get as much
juice as you can get out.
As you can possibly get out.
And if you have a lemon juicer and you're just doing this, and you want a little bit more juice, you can use it.
Yeah, you can add a little more lime juice. Okay, so now, now I'm gonna put in only 2 tablespoons of sugar because mango is actually very, very sweet.
If you get it right.
Yeah, if you get like a ripe mango.
But if you don't get a ripe mango, it may not be a lot sweeter because if it's hard and stuff like that, it doesn't have a lot of sweetness. So, add a little
and there's two. So now, we have to blend this up first, and then we're going to put it into our bowl. Okay. Bring it over here. We're going to take our blender and put it on frozen dessert because this will be a frozen dessert sooner or later. We're going to put it, we got to turn it on and start it up. Now we're going to take a spoon.
Ooh, this smells good.
It smells like mango. It smells like mango. This smells like mango. And we're going to take our spoon and put it into the bowl. The bowl
of mango.
The bowl. We're going to put it in the bowl.
And this is really mushy.
Yeah.
It's like a baby paste.
Oh, it does. It looks like baby food. It looks like maybe like if you had carrot baby food or something.
But just a little bit.
Oh, I've got the spoon stuck in the blade because these are sharp.
Chin to make this.
Okay, so we have rinsed out our blender for our next mix, and we added a little more lime to our mango puree to make it a little too sweet. So now let's add our raspberries. So John is just gonna add in 1 cup of raspberries, frozen raspberries, just so you know, because it's frozen, because it's a sorbet. That looks like. Pat, pat, pat on the back. Pat, pat, pat on the back. Pat, pat on the back.
And now let's add a 1/2
2/3 cup. That's 3/4 cup. Because we've never made like this kind of vegan dessert.
It literally just looks like soy.
It literally looks like
soy
milk.
milk. Yeah.
It looks like milk, but it's actually not.
Yeah.
So do not mistake it for milk because it's not. So now John John's just gonna blend that baby up. Blend that baby up. Ooh, a frozen raspberry. We should throw that in the So now we're gonna put it on frozen desserts.
Frozen desserts, and then let's start.
Done. Shake it up. Now, we're gonna do is pour it into our
Mango
puree. I think it's like a puree. It's not really a puree because we put it on frozen desserts.
Yeah, so it's technically.
Oh, I probably should use a spoon. That smells.
So you mix these two ingredients up, and
like a God church, and it just goes great. Very good.
it really looks weird.
It looks like sorbet. Sorbet Chanté.
Oh,
To the lake.
oh.
To the lake. To the lake. Strawberry Chanté. To the lake. To the lake. Now we're gonna mix this up today. Here you go, John Christopher. Mix it up like a chicken nugget.
You can't even see the mango.
Mix it up like a chicken nugget. Chicken egg.
That's done. So now let's put our mango puree in
our freezer safe container. So we're gonna put this in here. Let's put it in the. Ooh, this is like, you know what this looks like? Looks like icing.
Yeah,
You know, like you guys can't see it,
but
but it looks good. It looks like you're like pouring icing, you know,
into a bowl.
into a nice bowl. Like.
So
now let's pop this into the freezer. Now it's ready. Okay? And let's wait until it's frozen.
A few moments later.
Welcome back. So it's done. And now we're going to put it in our bowl. So we have one that's already scooped here. And we're also going to top it with some fresh mint and raspberries.
Or savory lettuce.
Yeah, that's what I said at the store. I said savory lettuce. So now we're just gonna scoop it up with our ice cream scooper.
And I can smell that savory lettuce all the way from here.
It's mint, by the way. So if you just hear him say savory lettuce, don't forget that he means mint. I'm just gonna scoop up 2 scoops with this beautiful ice cream scooper. This is so easy, wow. So now we're just gonna put a couple res. Oh, we already have one here, John. So this, you can eat that, but not yet. So we're gonna top this with some raspberry.
Raspberries.
Baby. Take a little bit of mint right here. And we're just gonna stick that in there. And
Let's get to try it.
oh, you have to have a matching spoon, boy. This is a match. It don't match. We'll set it right here. So let's try our delicious sorbet. Let's try our delicious.
She was actually wrong.
Sorry about that. We gotta cut this down. You ready?
Now let's get to trying.
So yeah, we had to switch cameras because ours. So if it looks a little different or the audio sounds different, yeah. So.
This is the bomb.
You can really taste like the mango.
This honestly tastes like raspberry.
Yeah, but like it still has that. You can still taste that it's not ice cream though. It still has that like. It's not like sorbet-y. if you know what I mean.
It's not too sweet.
It's perfect. Wow, this is great. Well, hope you like it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to turn on those notifications. Also, definitely try this. It's so delicious. And we will see you next time on Two Vegan Kids. Do we get bloopers?
Two Vegan Kids.
I'm going to stop you on the head and you're going to go in the corner and sit there for 2 minutes. Okay, so we're going to put these in a Rubbermaid container because they're so good and they're nice and stretchy. Yeah, not sponsored. And all the other ones, they suck. They have nice compartments where you can
Any day now.
They can go in the freezer. So to buy
day now. Any day now.
www.rubbermaid.com/Layla to get 50% off of your purchase.
Vegan Kids.
Not sponsored.
Two.
This is totally sponsored.
Okay. Okay.